Aloha affiliators, Foodz are helping you find your foods, folks. Today we'll be having you get back to human crunchy mint dark chocolate bar here on Foodz, folks. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, will nourish us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip to the video and the parts you want to see. Ooh, look at that. Wait, what is this? Now, what happened to this? Oh, maybe a piece came off. Oh, that's how it looks like. Cool. Let's give this a try. Oh, okay, there we go. Right. Comes like that with the Hue name. Is this Hue for human or just who? Oh, interesting. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice print. Here we go. Oh, not bad. I gotta say 4.0 out of 5 stars. Yeah, it's not bad. Not really a mint and chocolate type of person. Yeah, didn't really. It's okay for me, the mint and chocolate. I do like the crunch in here. Not too sure if it's almond or cashew. It says there's traces of it though. Yeah, in the ingredients it doesn't really say. Not too sure if I taste the coconut sugar. Excuse me, wrong hole. Yeah, there's a the mint is not too strong, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too strong. Chocolate overpowers it. Good bitterness and chocolate taste though, but just the combination of the mint and chocolate. No, the crunchy is good. And the chocolate melts right away. It's not hard to eat, smooth, and somewhat soft, even though it is hard. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you folks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Mahalos. Hugh.